All right.
Excellent. Should we do the same for you?
Yeah, thank you. Actually, I'll give you this.
David, you take it.
Look at the tires.
Excellent. There you go.
How that works.
I think we're going to have to get closer to
You go that way, you go that way.
Pretend you're enjoying it.
Guys, at some time or another we will be coming into land, so if I can get you to pack your bulky items, put those on the floor at your feet out of the way. If I can get you to do that, that'd be great. If I can... Yeah, thank you. Can you put your stuff on the floor? Put your stuff on the floor. You're going to need the seat to sit on.
Yeah.
Sorry, I was just asking you too.
Not my stuff, pal.
All right. Just yet, we will eventually. We're not the land just yet. I just want to make sure you got your stuff out of the way. Just want to put your stuff on the floor. No, I can't see it. Just had to walk across the park and said I needed one.
Then it's into Oxford.
Yeah, I'll do that.
I just want to go for a walk out and go places to do that.
Right then, if I can get you to put things down out of the way, okay, start to think about getting that landing position.